friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is really special for me. Why you ask? Because it's my baby's birthday. Oh, don't worry, it's my baby niece. So I happened to ask her, Trisha, what's your favorite fruit? And she goes, Ambu. I ask her, what's your favorite dessert? And she goes, Ambu. And mangoes every time. So I decided to make a dessert or a cake for her with mangoes in it. So what better than a mango cheesecake? So today I'm going to be making an eggless mango cheesecake. The ingredients are really easily available, and to whip up this cake is not gonna take a lot of time. So let's begin. But do not forget, friends, to subscribe to my channel, share my videos with your family and friends, and do not forget to hit on the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you could get notifications when I post videos. Thank you. To make the crumb of the cheesecake, I am using powdered biscuits, 1 cup. To which I am adding 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of melted butter. I'm going to give all of this a good mix. To add to the flavor of this, I am adding a few drops of rose water to this. Once everything comes together like this, we are going to take a springform pan which I have lined with a parchment paper. I'm going to pour all of this in this. And properly press this down. I am going to use a bottom of a glass and press all of this very evenly. I'm going to bake this for 8 to 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Making sure all the ingredients are at our room temperature, I'm taking about 4 ounces of cream cheese which is at room temperature. I'm going to beat this until it is nice and smooth. To this now I am going to add half cup of granulated sugar. Mix it until the sugar is properly incorporated in the cream cheese. Now to this I am going to add half tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. adding 1/4 cup of sour cream. Now I'm going to be adding whipped cream. One-fourth cup of heavy whipping cream. And again a little less than 1/4 cup mango puree, a little at a time. I'm taking 2 tablespoons of whole milk. This is 1 tablespoon. So I added 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and I'm adding half tablespoon of all-purpose flour. I'm going to give this all a good mix. Once this is well incorporated, I am adding to it 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Giving it a good mix again. Now I'm going to add this mixture to this mixture. Give all of this a good mix. Now this is beautifully mixed. My crumb is baked, but I'm going to let it cool down for a little bit before I put this mixture onto my crumb. I'm going to pour this mixture over this. I'm just going to level this up nicely without disturbing the crumb on the side. I'm going to be using the remaining mango puree and put dots like so. And using a toothpick or a skewer, I'm just going to mix this. Like that. I'm going to now bake this in a water bath. In a pan like this, I'm adding water. I've covered the bottom of the pan with the foil and now I'm going to place this in this and bake it for 45 to 50 minutes until the center is still a little jiggly but the sides are properly baked.